Hello and welcome to our challenge, Challenge 1A. We've called our challenge Kai's Dream. Meet the team. We have Kai Tyler, who came up with the idea for our challenge, Jessica Hartnett, David Taylor, David Akuma, Inez Murray, Sakun Khan, Nisang, and myself, Emma Burr. The data challenge. Currently, the project needs to deliver monthly reports to be viewed by project team, regional management, and clients. Different subject matter experts contribute to certain sections of the report, but it is a manual process. The subject matter experts email over the updated report, which often contains errors with poor formatting and is labour intensive. We have two user stories. Number one, as a subject matter expert, I want to be able to easily access last month's report template so I can easily complete this month's report. And our second user story, as a report owner, I want to be able to reduce the time it takes to complete a monthly report so it can be more efficient and reduce errors.
The technology that we utilised for this challenge included Microsoft Excel, which was used as a repository for our data, and we used this alongside Power Apps and Power Automate in order to populate our project report. We created an easy-to-use app for workstream leads to update their relevant sections of the project review report. So at every reporting cycle, the user can simply access the app and update their section where they have the opportunity to filter by their relevant section of the report. Inside, they can find the list of headings which require updating, which can be done so like this, and then submitting the update, which will update our Excel spreadsheet to be used to feed into Power Automate. Once every workstream lead has updated their section of the report, the report owner can then access this page of the app to generate a new report, which will trigger the Power Automate flow. We created an
Okay, here's a demo of updating the table. So you can choose any one of the activities. Move this out to the 20th. Update. You can see that it's captured the variance and the notation here. Go into this one, mark as complete. Date. Yeah.
Once triggered, Power Automate retrieves our blank template of the project review report. It also retrieves a copy of the live data from Excel and copies this into a new unique sheet, which is then used to populate the tagged areas of the blank project review report, then creating a unique finalized report that can be sent to project managers and other senior colleagues. Here is an example of the output from our Power Automate flow. On the left, in column C, you can see the commentary from our Power App that we developed, which is then transferred into each relevant tagged area of the project review template on the right.
So we found the benefit of the solution is that we've now streamlined the process, which saves times and reduces errors. We can also identify where the update provided is less than 90% different from last period, so we can see if there has been a change made. The commercial application would be any report in a business function where the data is currently being manually entered and collated. We can now automate that. And thoughts of the future would be to automate error checking, add in role-based access depending on the section you need to fill out, convert straight to PDF via Power BI dashboard, and include automated reminders for the completion to avoid it running overdue.
Instead of applying project data analytics to streamline this process, we'd use them to remove the process altogether. All reporting and dashboards would be driven off data updated in real time, making these reports available to anyone at the click of a button, removing the need for monthly reporting altogether. This would facilitate a move from descriptive, backwards-looking analytics to forward-looking, predictive analytics to understand what might happen next. This would be based on the analysis of trends from similar projects to predict risks, cost forecasting, and health and safety risks for any stage of the project that you're currently in. This would make reporting smarter and more valuable than in its current form and allow a proactive decision-making. The director at MPA believes that one of the biggest indicators of a project failing is poor reporting and repeat reporting month on month. We'd use fuzzy matching to compare the data input for the current month to what was input in the previous month. We'd then set a threshold for percentage of change at a minimum of 90% to ensure that reports are thoroughly updated month on month. Where the threshold isn't met, we would use conditional formatting to highlight what hadn't been edited and alert the author and report owner. To gain more insight from our data and change reporting to insights, we'd use Power BI to identify and illustrate trends and gain valuable comparisons from other similar historic projects. Using automated dashboards tailored to the audience, generated from a single data warehouse, we'd create a single source of the truth that provides intuitive visualization of complex data which is updated in real time. This would make reporting more adaptable to stakeholder needs and help drive better informed decision making and action management.